This drawing took me 8.5 hours. Okay, so I didn't put that much effort into this. It really only took me longer than usual because I was drawing on my phone and split screening the Apothecary Diaries at 1 in the morning. The sketch went fine like this. When I started the line art, however, let's just say it was about as straight as I am. When I would turn off the sketch layer, it gave me flashbacks to the POV the sketch is better than the line art trend. Even though I tried my best, the line art is still visibly shaky. And I do feel like it made a large effect on the end product. But I finally got a break when it was time to do coloring. My Lord and Savior, the bucket tool, was to the rescue. For the color scheme, I mostly went with different tones of the trans flag. It was fun making a trans masked character that looked mostly feminine, and I am overall happy with the end result.